Oh, it's coming down hard now. Oh yeah. There's actually people stuck walking on the streets right now. Oh, this is great. Woo! Oh yeah. Sound effects are great. Look at the rain bouncing off the steps. Holy shit. And you know what? An hour ago, it was blue skies. It was a beautiful, balmy summer day. Welcome to Canada, where the weather changes every 5 minutes. As they say in South Africa, it's a monkey wedding. I don't know why, but that's what they say. You look across the street, the rain is hitting that roof so hard, I don't know if you can see it. It's become a mist bouncing off the roof. See it? Holy smokes. Yeah. Oh, it's even getting harder now. Yeah, man. Look at the road out there. Look at that. It's a river. I don't know if that... Oh yeah. It's a river. The water is as high as the sidewalk. So you got about 6 inches of water just running down the street. It's just wild. I love it. Anyway. This is Wyatt reporting from the Toronto beaches area. Over. Never out.